Imagine a car that combines everyday luxury with mind-blowing performance, capable of transforming from a relaxed cruiser to a high-speed monster at the flick of a switch. One car has perfected this transformation, and today, we'll take a deep dive into what makes it stand out from the crowd. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll understand why this car is the benchmark for all others in its class. Welcome to the channel ByteBuzz Innovations, where we explore everything that makes the automotive world so fascinating. Whether you're into sports cars, luxury sedans, or the latest tech on four wheels, you're in the right place for high-quality, in-depth reviews and comparisons. Today, we'll be talking about a car that straddles the line between luxury and performance in a way that very few can. It's a driving experience like no other, with technology, comfort, and power that redefine what a performance sedan can be. You won't want to miss it now. Let's talk about what makes this car such an icon in the world of high-performance vehicles. It sits in the high-performance sedan category, blending the luxury and comfort of a daily driver with the thrills of a sports car. This isn't just a car, it's an experience, designed to offer everything from track-ready handling to a plush, tech-filled cabin. The combination of raw power, fine-tuned precision, and luxurious amenities has made this car a favorite among driving enthusiasts and executives alike. Under the hood, this car is a powerhouse. You're looking at a turbocharged V8 engine that churns out an impressive 617 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. What does that mean for you as a driver? It means that you're dealing with a car that can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. That's supercar territory, and it's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth, fast shifts every time you punch the throttle. Top speed? Over 190 miles per hour, which is more than enough to make sure you leave the competition in your rearview mirror. The performance is more than just about straight-line speed. This car is also engineered for agility, with an adaptive M suspension and rear-wheel drive capabilities that give you incredible cornering precision and stability at high speeds, but it's not all about speed. The design of this car is just as impressive as its performance. At first glance, the exterior looks sleek and aggressive, with muscular lines and a purposeful stance. The front end features large kidney grills that are iconic to the brand, flanked by sharp, high-tech LED headlights. The sculpted bodywork helps reduce drag, contributing to the car's overall aerodynamics, while also giving it an unmistakable road presence. When you move to the interior, it's clear that comfort and technology have been taken into account just as much as performance. The cabin is a blend of high-quality materials, including fine leather upholstery, brushed aluminum, and real wood accents. The driver-centric cockpit features an M-specific steering wheel and a fully digital instrument cluster, which provides all the performance data you need right at your fingertips. Speaking of technology, this car comes loaded with cutting-edge features designed to make your driving experience not only thrilling but also more connected and comfortable. The infotainment system is intuitive, featuring a large touchscreen with easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The available gesture controls and Apple CarPlay ensure that you can stay connected without taking your hands off the wheel. If you're looking for driver assistance features, the car offers everything from lane keeping assist to adaptive cruise control, ensuring that you have peace of mind while pushing this car to its limits. Of course, no car is perfect, and there are a few things to keep in mind before making a purchase. One potential downside is that this car isn't exactly the most practical choice if you're looking for something that's easy on the wallet when it comes to fuel economy. While it's certainly efficient for a performance sedan, it's still a V8-powered beast, so expect to fuel up more frequently compared to a typical sedan. Additionally, the ride can be a bit firm, especially when you're in sportier driving modes. While this is great for high-performance driving, it might not be as comfortable for those who prioritize a softer, more cushioned ride. When it comes to reviews, owners and experts alike have been impressed by the car's ability to blend performance and luxury. Car enthusiasts rave about the handling and acceleration, with many noting how the M5 feels both refined and raw at the same time. Critics appreciate how the car maintains the driving dynamics of a true sports sedan without compromising on the comfort and technology that people expect from a high-end luxury car. One of the biggest compliments this car receives is its versatility. It's equally at home on the track as it is during a road trip. However, some experts have noted that the price point is steep, and while the car offers incredible performance and luxury, it might be a bit much for some buyers compared to competitors in the segment. Let's talk about pricing now. The starting price for this car is on the higher end, making it an investment for anyone serious about performance and luxury. When compared to other performance sedans in the same class, it's often viewed as a good value, especially when you consider the level of technology, performance, and refinement it offers. That said, it's still a hefty price tag, and you'll need to consider whether the performance benefits justify the cost. It's a lot of car for the money, but if you're not planning to take advantage of its full performance potential, you might find more economical options in the market. So, what do you think? What feature of this car do you think stands out the most? Is it the incredible acceleration? The refined interior? Or maybe the handling that can rival some of the best sports cars out there? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. To wrap things up, this car is truly something special. It combines world-class performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology in a way that few can match. Whether you're looking for a car that can dominate on the track or something that's refined enough for daily driving, this car does it all. It's perfect for those who want a thrilling driving experience without sacrificing comfort, style, or practicality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel ByteBuzz Innovations for more high-quality car reviews, and check out our other videos for more insights into the latest and greatest in automotive performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.